This book is called The Little Blue Truck. The author is the person who wrote the words. Her name is Alice Schertle. And the illustrator is the person who drew these pretty pictures. Her name's Jill McElmurray. You see that blue truck? He's coming down the road. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little blue truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to the big green toad. Toad said croak and winked and high when little blue truck went rolling by. Look at all these toads. Let's count the toads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 toads. Sheep. Where's the sheep? Sheep said baa. Cow said moo. Oink, said piggy. Beep, said Blue. Cluck went chicken. Here's the chicken. And her chick said peep. Ma, said the goat. And Blue said beep. Neigh, said the horse. Quack, said the duck. Beep, said the friendly little blue truck. Honk, yelled the dump truck. Coming through. I've big, important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom went the dump around the curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. Oh no, like he was going down there. And he got stuck in the mud puddle. See all that rain? It's all rainy. Big mud puddle. There he is, stuck in the mud. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump as he sounded scared, but nobody heard, or nobody cared. Then, into the mud. Bump, bump, bump came the little blue truck to hump the dump. Little Blue pushed with all of his might. Now Big Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Oh no, both of them are stuck now. Help, help, cried the little blue truck. Beep, beep, I am stuck, I am stuck. Everybody heard beep, beep, beep. The cow, there's the cow, came running with the pig and the sheep. Oh, they want to help their friend. Up at the gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. Here's the horse. And over here's that goat jumping over the fence. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. Look at them, they're pushing really hard. The cow and the pig and the sheep are all pushing that truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. And who hopped up but the big green toad? Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, bah, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. They're all trying to get in there. They all want a ride. Look who's driving. Beep, beep, beep. The end. That's a good book.
No, you don't kiss us. Don't kiss us. You think we're mother God? No.